What we got next? What we got next? Bring it on. Knack 3.
Is that what this is?
I hope not.
What if we get Raymond?
I could see that for sure. Oh, Ratchet and Clank. There it is, y'all.
No way. It appears that the dimensions are collapsing on one another. If we cannot get to...
Like the remake that they did a few years ago looked and played so good.
Cool.
Uh-oh.
They have found us, Ratchet.
You gotta destroy them.
Ask nicely.
It looks good.
That's not listening.
Well,
That's the hardest thing to do. Like,
most games are getting really good at it.
yeah. That and hair and like cloth.
Hair has come a long way. Still not quite there, but it's come a long way.
Like, if this is the gameplay, which I highly doubt, like I'm sure it's bits and pieces, but I don't think you're gonna be jumping through spaces that quick.
Shit, yeah, there's probably some sneaky cuts in there, but like you can definitely tell, like that, like clearly would be.
Yeah.
Camera's moving and locks on.
I love like all the different places that you're getting.
This pirate world, it's fun.
It's like steampunky in a way. Clank.
Oh my god.
Can't do that, Clank. Oh no, Ratchet and Clank are just Ratchet.
We are too
Clank.
late.
Ratchet
Ratchet? and
and Clank, but not Ratchet and Clank.
Yes.
Who?
Oh no.
Oops.
That Jenny. Rift apart.
Ratchet's a girl. That's who that.
That's it looks.
Creative director and
Oh,
a
in
songwriter
person, but it's just like.
The entire studio is so excited to be able to share with you a first ever look at Ratchet and Clank Rift Apart. A brand new, full-length, interdimensional adventure built from the ground up for the PlayStation 5.
Chris
Doing
said
things we've never been
Ratchet
able
and
to
Clank.
do
What
before.
jam?
Use dimensional rifts to be able to leap from planet to planet nearly instantly. Or put ray trace
Whoa,
reflections on Clank.
instantly?
All of our alien worlds
Well, I mean,
are
if the
filled
new
with
processing
density
power is
and
as good
life
as it's saying it
previously
is.
unseen. Plus,
Okay,
Ratchet's
I'm
all-new arsenal
excited for
is
this.
more exciting thanks to the DualSense controller's enhanced feedback. Ratchet and Clank are near and dear to our hearts at Insomniac, and we can't wait to share more with you in the future. But for now, here's another look.
Okay, we get like some more gameplay. What? Oh, okay. So we're actually getting gameplay.
Talking about. Oh.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Like, I love that they're keeping the style. So you use it as a traversal system, essentially. And you can go through.
Like it.
Yeah.
Sand sharks from above.
It's an ingenious way to like bring in enemies.
Yeah, definitely. So that way they're not just like, oh, they came from nowhere. It's like, no, they came from the portal.
Yeah. So it's like a literal monster closet.
Ooh, that's a big boy.
His name is Jim. Okay, so this is like in game.
This.
I will never get
That is such a cool way to like show the processing power of everything. Chris, thank you for sharing the stream. Don, thank you for liking the stream.
all these years just to try and take over the universe again.
From what I remember of like the last game, it has a lot of the same feel, but it definitely like as good as that looked, this is like a step up from that as well.
No, this looks great. I love it. I love like the effect of the portals. It's like it almost looks like that like there's like the barrier between dimensions and it's like
Yeah. Like all the particle effects that are being used and the ray tracing. Oh. Oh.
Love it.
Like all of that particle work, it's blowing my mind, y'all. Yeah, and the NPCs, like Daniel's saying, like they're super interactive. like saying, "Oh, this is Ratchet and Clank," and like this is games, y'all.
The more depth the world can get, the more immersive your experience can be. It's always a good thing.
Yes. Future.